You want the award for Best Parent on the Block this Halloween, and you're into the maker life. Listen up. We got Amy Ravis Furey with some cute DIY costume ideas for your little tykes. Now, first off, don't be like me, waiting to like the last minute, so I got to go through whatever we have in the junk drawer to try to make a great costume. But first, I got to say, that is a wonderful fascinator that you're rocking on the head here. We're only a few months after the royal wedding. They were so in here a couple months ago, and you're still rocking it at Halloween time. I love it.
Thank you very much.
All right, so why should we go for that DIY costume?
Well, I'm really excited to be back talking about a handmade Halloween. I'm really into the idea, and don't worry, I waited until the last minute.
Perfect.
And that's what I'm excited to tell you is that you can go, I brought my kids and their friends, and you can go around the house and find everyday items and a cardboard box, curlers, things from the dollar store, and you can repurpose them, and it is easy.
All right, well, let's meet your kids and your friends and what all they're dressed up as today. Where do you want to start here? Because we got a whole bunch of folks.
Yeah, so let's bring out the boys first.
Drum roll, please. All right, fellas, we got a Rubik's Cube here.
Yeah, this is a throwback to the 80s. We have a Rubik's Cube and an old school Nintendo controller, hashtag screen time.
Hashtag screen time.
This is Beckett and Michael.
Well, you guys look great. So these are just the cardboard boxes from out of the basement. This looks like it might have been an appliance box at one time repurposed.
Yeah, totally. Like the jars of peanut butter.
Oh, it's a peanut butter jar top.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, yarn, vinyl decals.
A,
how easy?
Select start. Oh, I was doing the contra code.
How easy could that be? It's a great tradition. The kids can get involved. I asked Beckett, do you want to be solved or unsolved?
Yeah.
You know, you're never going to show up to it's like showing up to a party wearing an outfit that somebody else has.
And this is Beckett?
Yeah, this is Beckett.
Have you ever solved a Rubik's Cube, young man? It took me 37 years to solve one, so
he's a smart kid. I'm sure. Yeah, he could do it.
Okay.
Next
well, thanks you guys. Why don't you all step off here? Let's get our next folks in here. Who do we have next?
This is Hannah and Emma.
Our Hannah and Emma. Hannah.
This is the fantasy realm. We have a donut.
it's every guy's fantasy to have a chocolate donut first thing in the morning, right?
Fantasy rainbow category.
Yeah.
Unicorn donut. This is an inner tube, and these are curlers from a dollar store that I spray painted.
Oh.
How easy is that?
Very simple.
Yeah. This is a lot of clothes that most elementary school girls already own. A tutu, a fur vest.
Go ahead and Vogue. You can show them how to do it. There you are. Work it, girl. Come on.
Yeah. We made a unicorn horn, some felt flowers, some tulle, really simple. I mean, I'm sure big box stores are awesome, but to make a handmade maker Halloween, I spent so little money. The most expensive item overall on everybody's costume was spray paint.
No joke, yeah.
Yeah, that was the most expensive thing.
Well, you got such great ideas, though. I mean, I just don't have the vision for this type of stuff. I try to think. See, here's what my homemade Halloween costume idea is. I was going to make a cereal box, and I was going to hold a knife, and I was going to be a serial killer.
Great. Okay, I'm really excited about the next one, and I don't want to run out of time.
That's how she tells you it wasn't a good joke.
No, it is a good one. It is a good one. Okay, we all know the future is female.
The future is female.
Molly and her baby Lucy.
Oh my goodness, adorable.
We have our Secret Service agent and
oh, she's got the earpiece in. I totally missed it.
Notorious RBG.
Congratulations. I know.
Yeah, she has her descent collar. This is a doily from the dollar store. A onesie, a black onesie, and some costume glasses. Oh, she's like, I do not.
I do not approve. I object. You're super cute.
Did
you know that?
People are talking politics. I think it's really important. It's a great tradition. You can pass these things on. And yeah, I mean, I'm so glad that they agreed to do this.
Yes.
And I have some exciting things coming up.
Okay.
People can come and see me.
Thank you, Notorious
this
RBG.
Weekend.
We appreciate it.
On Friday, Blue Valley Schools are out, and Shawnee Mission.
And Piper, by the way, too.
Oh, thank you very much. And I have a workshop at Strawberry Swing.
Wonderful.
Or I'm so sorry, at Peppermint Sea Studio.
Okay.
And people can sign up. It's all day long from 9:30 to 2:30. And we are going to be making fun weaving and collage, animal silhouette collage.
Awesome. Well, your designs, again, are just fantastic.
Thank
and we
you.
sure appreciate you being here.
So
and thank you guys so much for coming in. You did a fantastic job today.
Thank you all.
Belinda,